Hello, good morning students. Now welcome again to the session of class 2nd, subject English grammar. And today in this session I am going to take lesson 8, that is pronoun. This is your lesson 8 in your PC Dance grammar book. आपका ये lesson 8 जो है वो PC Dance grammar book में है. And today is your lecture 1 of pronouns. So today I am going to tell you regarding pronouns. आज मैं आपको pronouns के बारे में बताने जा रही हूँ. As we have already read about the other topics related to the grammar, हमने पहले भी बहुत सारे topics जो है वो grammar के पढ़े हैं. And this one is the new topic for you, जिसको कि हम हिंदी में सर्वनाम कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं? सर्वनाम. So let's begin. First of all, before I start it from your book, let me tell you that words replacing nouns, जो words nouns को replace करते हैं उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? pronoun. Let me tell you few examples. I am a boy, oblique girl, oblique student, and many more things you can write like teacher. So over here I is a pronoun. I क्या है? pronoun. Now let's take the second sentence. My name is. So you can write over here your name, my, and my is pronoun over here, and you can write any name, Ram, Sham, etc. Now she is my friend. वह मेरी friend है. तो यहाँ जो she word है that is pronoun. अब आप यहाँ अगर name लिखते राधा, Radha is my friend, Rama is my friend. So those are nouns, and when I will replace this name to the word she, so this is a replacing noun and it is called pronoun. जब मैंने नाम को she से बदल दिया तो ये क्या बन गया? replacing noun. और किसमें चेंज हो गया? सर्वनाम में, यानी कि pronoun में. Now let's move to the next sentence. Dash is my brother. अब आप यहाँ अगर ब्रदर का नेम लिखते हैं, राम इज़ माई ब्रदर, श्याम इज़ माई ब्रदर. एंड सेकेंड सेंटेंस, डैश स्टडीज़ इन 8th class. Ram studies in 8th class. So you can write 8 to 10 sentences like that. But in spite of Ram, you have to replace a word for it. And that replacing word, और जो वर्ड आप नाम से रिप्लेस करेंगे वो क्या कहलाएगा? pronoun. Like he is my brother, he studies in 8th class. So over here he or she, if you are talking about a girl you will write she, and if you are talking about a boy you will write she. And in case of brother, she is my brother के यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा? sister. So like this you are able to make the sentences. She studies in 8th class. So these are the replacing words which are used in place of nouns and they are called pronouns. और हम इसको क्या कहते हैं? pronouns. Let me show you few basic words. मैं आपको कुछ बेसिक वर्ड्स शो करती हूँ जो कि हम यूज़ करते हैं pronouns के रूप में. So let's see. The basic words are I, my, me, we, are, he, she, it, his, him, her, them, they, you, yours. So these are the basic words which are used as pronouns. Like nouns, in pronouns also we use one and many. जैसा कि आपने लेसन 5 में किया था कि आप नाउन्स को वन एंड मैनी की फॉर्म में भी यूज़ करते हैं, ऐसा ही आप प्रोनाउंस को भी वन एंड मैनी की फॉर्म में यूज़ करते हैं. लाइक आई हैव शोन यू द बेसिक वर्ड्स विच आर यूज्ड इन प्रोनाउंस. I, my, me, these are for the singular one. When we use we, are, these are for plural ones. He, she, it, his, him, her, for the singular one. Them, they are for the plural one. So these are few words which we use in pronouns. Now let me show you the particular topic, the particular lesson in your book. अब मैं आपको ये लेसन आपकी बुक में शो करूँगी. So let's start lesson 8 from your book. So here is lesson 8 in your book. It is on page number 40. So let's proceed. Those who don't have a book, they can listen carefully, and if they want to note any point, they can note in their notebooks. Like lesson 8, pronouns. Words replacing nouns. जैसा कि मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था कि pronouns को हम क्या कहते हैं? Word replacing nouns. The words which are replacing with nouns. Look at the pictures and read the sentences. Who are you? I am Molly. This is my mother. She makes yummy cakes. This is my father. He brings me chocolates. This is my house. It is near my school. So here are few sentences, and in the few sentences there are few highlighted words, and those words are called replacing nouns. अब ये कुछ sentences हैं, इनमें जो वर्ड्स हमने अंडरलाइन किए हैं या जो वर्ड्स हाईलाइटेड हैं वो क्या है? प्रोनाउंस. लाइक यू, आई, शी, ही, माई, मी, माई, इट. These are the words which are pronouns. So let's proceed to the other sentences. So the other sentences are, this is my family, we live together. यह मेरी फैमिली है और हम इकट्ठे रहते हैं. These are my friends, they live near my house. These are my friends. ये मेरे फ्रेंड हैं और ये मेरे घर के पास रहते हैं. So these and they are showing the plural one, and my shows that singular. We also show that plural, that there are many peoples. The highlighted words in the above sentence are called pronouns, as I have already told. जैसा कि मैंने आपको पहले बताया कि जो words यहाँ highlight है वो सब क्या है? Pronouns. Pronouns are the words that are used in place of noun to avoid repetition. Pronoun वो word होते हैं जो कि noun की जगह पे यूज़ होते हैं, और किस लिए यूज़ होते हैं? ताकि हम repetition को avoid कर सकें. एक चीज़ दोबारा ना आए, उस repetition को अवॉइड करने के लिए हम प्रोनाउन यूज़ करते हैं. सो नाउ ऑन पेज नंबर 41. नाउ रीड दिस सेंटेंस. आई एम एनी, गिव मी दैट पेन. सो हियर आई एंड मी स्टैंड्स फॉर एनी, एंड दे आर प्रोनाउन. दे आर प्रोनाउन. ही इज़ आदित्य, कॉल हिम नाउ. वो आदित्य है, उसको अभी बुलाओ. Here he and him stands for Aditya and they are pronoun. जैसा कि मैंने आपको हिंदी में कहा, हिंदी में इन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं, प्रोनाउन. वह, उसका, उसकी, ये सब क्या है, प्रोनाउन. वी आर बॉयज़, टॉक टू अस. हम लड़के हैं, हमसे बात करो. Here we and us stands for boys and we and us is also pronoun. That is Ira. वो ईरा है. She is going to school. Let us talk to her. वो स्कूल जा रही है, चलो उससे बात करते हैं. Here she and her stands for Ira and these two words are also called pronoun. They are Ayush and Aditya. Tell them to join us. उनसे बोलो वो हमें ज्वाइन कर ले, हमसे आके मिले. Here they and them stands for Ayush and Aditya. यहाँ पर they और them जो हैं वो आयुष और आदित्य की जगह यूज हुए हैं and they are also pronoun. Now listen, if I said they are Ayush and Aditya, tell Ayush and Aditya to join us. Tell Ayush and Aditya to play with us. Tell Ayush and Aditya come and join our team. So it's very awkward. वो आपको बहुत अजीब सा लगता है because I am repeating again and again Ayush and Aditya, Ayush and Aditya. So that's why we have few words जिनको कि हमने nouns का नाम दिया है और हम उनको इन meaning words की बिना पर यूज़ करते हैं. आई होप अब आप लोगों को थोड़ा समझ आया होगा. Let's show you 2-3 more sentence. You are a student. I like you. तुम एक स्टूडेंट हो और मैं तुम्हें पसंद करता हूँ. So here you stands for a student. यहाँ पर you किसके लिए बोला गया है, स्टूडेंट के लिए. It is a car. Buy it. यह एक कार है, इसको खरीद दो. Here it stands for the car. यहाँ पर it किसके लिए आया है, कार के लिए. So like this, these are the few words which we use in place of nouns and they are called pronouns. जिनको हम noun की जगह यूज़ करते हैं और उनको हम pronoun बोलते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं, pronoun. और हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं, सर्वनाम. Now the pronouns we and us stands for many. जो pronoun है we, us, वो ज़्यादा को दर्शाते हैं. The pronoun she, her stands for one girl and she, her, he, him, ये सब एक गर्ल और एक बॉय को दर्शाते हैं. The pronoun they and them stands for many. इसी तरीके से they और them भी एक से ज़्यादा व्यक्तियों को दर्शाते हैं, बताते हैं. Now let's start the exercise 1 which is given in your book on page number 42. ये exercise आपके पेज नंबर 42 पे दी गई है. Those who have book, जिनके पास बुक है वो इसको बुक में करेंगे and those who don't have book they can do it in the notebook. And I am telling you the books are available in your school. You can go and purchase the book from there only. Rewrite the sentence using pronouns in place of underlined nouns. One has been done for you. आपको क्या करना है, जो वर्ड्स अंडरलाइन किए गए हैं उनको pronoun में चेंज करना है. Like अनीशा ड्रिंक्स मिल्क एवरी डे. अनीशा क्या करती है, रोज़ दूध पीती है. She drinks milk every day. So Anisha changes to she and she is pronoun. She क्या है, pronoun. Anisha and Anisha drink milk every day. So they are two persons and we have came to know earlier that when we have many we change it to they. They drink milk every day. You will write over here. They drink milk every day. Now Ayush plays football in the evening, and Ayush is a boy, and for boy you will change he. He plays football in the evening. Now D part. Aditya and Ayush play football every day. Now again they are two. It will change. Aditya and Ayush will change to they. They play football every day. The ball is on the ground. So for ball क्या आएगा? हमने तो कहा था he, she, ये बॉय और गर्ल्स के लिए आता है. सो बॉल के लिए क्या आएगा? It is on the ground. The balls are on the ground. The balls are on the ground. So there are many balls. So what we will do? We will change the balls into they. They are on the ground. They are on the ground. So like this you will change the naming words into the pronouns. I hope all of you understand this word, how you have to do these sentences. Now let's proceed to exercise number 2. So in the exercise number 2, here is exercise 2. Fill in the blanks with I, we, you, he, she, it or they. And please tell me ये सब क्या है? I, we, you, he, she, it or they क्या है? I have already told you कि these are the basic words which are called pronouns. ये सब क्या है? Pronouns है. ये सब क्या है? Pronouns. So my name is Riya dash in class 2. What will come? I am in class 2. Because you very well know am किसके साथ आता है? I के साथ. So let's continue. I am Jahir. He is Rihan. मैं जहीर हूँ और वो रिहान है. Dash are brothers. Now they are many. So where what will come? They. They are brothers. They are brothers. Dash are a good girl. I like you. So again are is there. So what will you do? They are good girls or we are good girls? What will come over here? Just think. Hanji. Because she is talking about I also. तो यहाँ क्या आएगा? We. We are good girls. Girl, I like you. Look, Alisha is coming. देखो अलीशा आ रही है. And if she is a girl, what will come over here? She. She is my sister. Do you know Riya and Alisha? क्या तुम रिया और अलीशा को जानते हो? They are my sisters. They are my sisters. Mr. Mehra teaches us English. Mr. Mehra हमें क्या पढ़ाते हैं? English. So Dash is a good teacher. Mr. आ गया तो क्या आएगा? He. He is a good teacher. Now let's begin the third exercise. And in the third exercise, what you have to do? You have to match the following. What you have to do? You have to match the following. So how you will match? The pictures are given over here and you have to match them accordingly. Bird. For the bird, it will come. So you will match it with it. This is a boy, so he. This is a family, so we. This is a girl, sorry, chili nahi is. This is a girl, so girl. For a girl, she. And this is again a boy. और बॉय के लिए क्या आ सकता है? हाँ जी, बॉय के लिए क्या आ सकता है? मी. इफ आई एम टॉकिंग आई, सो आई के साथ क्या आएगा? मी. दिस इज मी. एंड दे आर टू, सो वी आर दे. Like this you have to match them. So this is the third exercise of your lesson 8, which you have to do in your book, and those who don't have book, they can do in the notebook. This is the homework time. Let's assign you some work. This is question number 1. And in the question number 1, what you have to do? Circle the pronouns. Now first one, have you finished your work? This is the first one. Second, yes madam, I have. Third one, he is playing. Fourth one, she is a very good girl. GIRL. Fifth one, you are a naughty boy. Now sixth one, sixth one is we are happy. So this is the sixth sentence. Now seventh one, they were sleeping. So this is the seventh sentence, and let's tell you the last one, that is eighth one. The eighth one is these are chairs. So you have to circle the pronoun in the given sentences. This is the homework and you have to do it in the notebook. Now it's the time for homework solution of the previous lecture. Now the sentences which you have to make with A and the are: A, this is a bat. I have a computer. Ria is a girl. Now with an are: Radha ate an orange. I saw an ostrich. She brings an umbrella. The sentences which you make with the help of the moon shines at night. The beautiful lady is my mother. The pen is blue. So these are the sentences with the. And the second question which I have given, fill in the blanks. I saw an eagle. Second one, copper is the useful metal. Third one, the third sentence is I ate an apple and a mango. Aladdin has the wonderful cap. Now in the fifth sentence, dash red book is mine. The red book is mine. I like the doctor. He is as wise as an owl. They wanted to help the teacher because they wanted to help the particular teacher. So I hope you have done the homework very well, and this is the solution. You can check your homework from it. So in the end, I would like to say that as you know that you would got the homework on the EDUQUAQ website, and on the very next day you got the solution of the same homework on the same website. So I want to say that please subscribe this EDUQUAQ, क्योंकि जैसे ही कोई न्यू आपसे रिलेटेड लेक्चर आता है तो it will automatically show you. So subscribe this channel, like the particular lectures which you have seen. जो भी आपने देखे हैं आप उन lectures को like भी कर सकते हैं, and you can share those lectures also. In the end, I would like to say I hope you are doing your work very well, as I know the few students are doing very well, and I request to the students that you can tell to your friends that they will also have to do the particular work, because if they will not start right now they will lag, वो पीछे रह जाएंगे. So बच्चे उनको बोलिए कि please start doing the work. Now thank you, have a good day.